kini gilang ki kubol
And the
lom kan sin.
champions, BSF
Saint
Senior
Mary's High Secondary School Shillong Clara namlahduh ha ka jing ko putban kabala pulong kum shibenta jong ka jing rakhi ka sin light road ka phapo jing ka India Hamadan Polish. Kasin Margaret High Secondary School kalayo kaban ka baan hadin bakla pin i ka jing putban kaba itanan kaba yat be bat kaba pin i ka jing trai shitam jing ki khna school bat kinong hi kai. Hagani ka sngi ki kin hon ba pher jong ki pulit sipai paran military forces NCC bat ki khna school kilay shimbenta ha ka march past parade kilayat pat ba Ahmad Umju rang ba ka jalau Conrad ki sangma da ka jing runti ka jing tip discipline bat ka mensium idri adien ka jing yakop Conrad sangma ula sami ki khusnam ki sirnon shaki school ba ki kin hon ki bla job ha ka band competition bat march past parade Kajinjok jong Saint Mary's High Secondary School, but Saint Margaret High Secondary School, Kalawanda Buram Mika School, but Power Kasap Kajing IT, Kajing Trailang, Jong Kikana School.
Can we have a round of applause for St. John's School, Laban? And among the band, the runners-up, St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School. Can we have a round of applause for St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, the runner-up among the bands, and the champions, St. Mary's Higher Secondary School. Thank you, sir. Sub-Inspector Sumit Kumar. Following closely behind the BSF and taking the salute now is the Central Reserve Police Force led by its commander Jeffrey Ming Chulo. Taking the salute now is the District Executive Force East Khasi Hills led by ABSI Sarak and Marak. Taking the salute now is the 1st MLB Battalion led by its commander Shri Aaron L. Longlight. Taking the salute now, Mondo. Taking the salute now is the NCC Boys Contingent led by Pongba M. Angto. Following the boys contingent is the NCC girls contingent led by its commander Lingdeva Haukin. Ladies and gentlemen, arriving at the saluting lines to take the salute now is the BSF girls contingent led by its commander Clara Durbo. Following the girls contingent of the BSF girls is the BSF boys led by its commander Rishi Raj Babu. Following the BSF boys contingent arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is the Bharat Scouts and Guides contingent led by one Kilpi Oka. Following the Bharat Scouts and Guides taking the salute now is the Indian Red Cross Society led by its commander Jefferson Rani. Arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute now is Divine Saviour School, La Ukra, led by its commander Safina I. Lingdor. Arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute now is the St. Margaret's Higher Secondary School, Brass Band, led by its commander Nisamchi M. Sangma. Following the St. Margaret's High Secondary Brass Band and arriving at the saluting guys to take the salute is St. Edmund Salon, led by its commander Anthony Simon. Basayauman. Following mainstream school Maulai, arriving at the saluting dais is St. Khasi Higher Secondary School Jayao, led by its commander Nahun Verdi Thongji. Following the St. Khasi Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais and to take the salute now is Leeds Higher Secondary School, led by its commander Melbourne Jabong. By its commander, Nan. Following army salute in Hindi Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the song, led by its commander, Louisiana. Following Hillcrest Higher Secondary School and arriving at the saluting dais to take the salute is St. John's Higher Secondary School, Laban, led by its commander, Vanilla Shisha Nongklao. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the Assam Rifles Public School Horse Contingent, led by its commander, Tapasya Mittal. And arriving at the saluting dais is St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Brass Band, led by its commander,